The Jamaica Information Service staff, along with the agency's partnering sponsors, make routine treks to the cool hills of Walterston, Manchester yearly. Christmas is one of 3 main visiting times when these caring agents of change bring special joy and warmth to the boys at the Mount Olivet home. This past Christmas was as joyful as any for the wards of the state. A word of prayer and a rendition of melodious caroling by the team set the tone for their annual awards and Christmas luncheon held in December. For their part, the boys, in addition to reciting the Christmas story, showed off their vocal and musical talent. Operators of the home are most grateful for the strong partnership with the JIS, which has been providing sponsorship and well-needed supplies to the home since 2009. Company CEO Donna Marie Rowe sees this corporate sponsor initiative as a winning tool to encourage and inspire the children in their care.
We just want to encourage the boys today as we have stuck with you these 9 years. We want you to know how much we love you, we care about you, and we want the best for you. We want you to turn out, take your book, take your education. These boys are showing us that they are doing it. 13 of them were placed between 1 and 10 in their classes. We wish for you all the very best for 2019 when we celebrate our 10th anniversary with big things.
The agency adopted the home in 2009 and continues to provide well-needed items for the boys with the help of corporate Jamaica while maintaining a mentorship program. Director at Mount Olivet Home for Boys, Patrick Newman, says there are development plans in the works, including a woodwork shop.
Hope that as time goes by, we will just transform Mount Olivet Boys Home bit by bit, so that the boys who come to us will leave here as worthwhile citizens.
Mr. Newman says the generosity extended to the Mount Olivet Boys Home by the Jamaica Information Service and its corporate partners is bearing fruit. At the 2018 Christmas visit, they awarded those boys who showed outstanding conduct and performance throughout the year. The young men were honored for having the most improved behavior, most improved academics, most disciplined, most helpful, and the coveted title Boy of the Year. Friends and staff of the JIS presented donations from companies including Pink's Fabrics, the Heart Trust NTA Boys Town Vocational Training Center, Caribbean Broilers, Rainforest Seafood, Fontana Pharmacy, and Wisinco through the Why Be Afraid Foundation. The team also shared cake, birthday cards, and gifts celebrating birthday anniversaries for those boys born during the months of September to December. Special thanks go out to everyone who contributed and supported the effort to give to the home, including the state-owned bus company. The next major visit to the facility comes up in April when the Mount Olivet Home Sports Day will take center stage.